happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. We're back at Racing Greed with a 2023 Audi RS6 Avant, one of my favorite Audis to date. These things are a beast. In today's video, we are going to put the Unitronic air intake to the test. If you guys are familiar with the channel, you may have already seen my dyno comparison of this Unitronic intake versus the Venturi intake. If you haven't checked that out, I will put the link in the description below to see how they compare against each other. What we're gonna do in today's video is to find out how much horsepower and how much torque to the wheels we can gain from stock to the Unitronic intake. Not only that, the car is already tuned on Unitronic Stage 1 Plus 93 octane tune. So the first thing we have to do is get you some baseline numbers. Once we got those numbers for you, then we will install the intake on the dyno itself, and then we will hit it again and dyno test it further to see one after another, hopefully about 45 minutes apart, to see how much power it actually makes. So we'll get you the baseline runs now, we will install the intake, and then get you some more runs after the fact to see exactly the difference in horsepower and torque. For this video, we're going to be using an all-wheel drive Mustang dyno here at Racing Greed, but we're going to be showing you a dyno jet calibration. Reason being is the Mustang dyno numbers show very, very low horsepower numbers, and it wouldn't be believable, to be honest. But what we're gonna do is show you the dyno jet calibration numbers, and those will give you a much closer depiction of the power this thing makes at the wheels. Unitronic Stage 1 Plus 93 octane tune with all stock hardware, 688 wheel horsepower, 684 wheel torque, one hell of a good looking curve. The cool air tonight and the low density altitude helped make us make a boatload of power. Let's install the air intake and see how much more we can make.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more.
And what did we see with the Unitronic intake installed? We gained 24 wheel horsepower and 18 wheel torque, putting us at 712 wheel horsepower and 702 wheel torque. But we did notice something along the way. With the intake installed, we had this weird drop in torque, and you can see a weird drop in horsepower down low as well. But then we gained and gained all throughout until up top. We had this weird little up and down in the power. So what we decided to do is try it one more time in 5th gear to increase the load and see if it made a difference. For the final graph of the day, a 5th gear pull, 714 wheel horsepower, a massive 713 wheel torque. The additional load on the dyno definitely helped. It does not dip down as low. It's not as quite as smooth as we'd love to see it, but this is a pump gas tune, not an ethanol-based tune. And then up top, it's smoothed out as well. Just some absolutely incredible power figures from this Unitronic Stage 1 Plus 93 octane tune paired with their Unitronic intake. There you have it, guys. A gain of 24 wheel horsepower and 18 wheel torque just from the installation of Unitronic's air intake system. Very, very impressive numbers. This thing is an absolute monster. If you haven't checked it out already, check out one of my recently released videos. I brought this thing to the drag strip and we tuned it from stock to Unitronic Stage 1 to Unitronic Stage 1 Plus. All done trackside, and you can see exactly how much quicker and faster the car goes just from a simple software upgrade. Now we've proven what a simple hardware upgrade can do on these cars as well. Simply incredible beasts. Thank you so much to the owner of this vehicle, Jared, for helping me out once again by showing us what an incredible machine this Audi RS6 is. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, take care.